Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you some clips of some console tables that I did make, and I did manage to record some parts of the project, and I decided to share with you. So here I'm just mixing my colors because off camera I already did make the frames for the consoles, that is the metal work. And as I said in my previous videos, I don't usually record me cutting or making the frames, the metal frames, or doing the welding work, because it's a tedious work and very tiresome job for me because I'm just beginning to do it. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and let's start the video. And after mixing the paint, that is the paint that I was preparing, these are the metal frames that I did make, and these are the legs for the console that I'm making for my client. So for this one, I'm going to be spray painting it gold, and I usually mix the colors of camera, and I use acrylic paints. Mostly I use acrylic paints for my projects, and I use acrylic thinner and also acrylic hardener for this work. So as you can see, I'm just continuing to spray paint it. And if you like this kind of content, or if this is the kind of content that you do enjoy, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate that. And after painting, I'm going to be leaving them to dry up as I do the other jobs. And you can see, as you can see, the work is neatly done. And I'm just unscrewing them from this board that was holding for me so that I can paint it. And now I'm going to be attaching it to this top. And for this top, I just did cut this block board, and I covered the top of it using a formica, that is the marble like a sheet that I usually use in most of my projects. If you have seen most of my videos, especially the tables, I usually use that sheet. So I'm just going to be screwing the legs on it and show you the final reveal, and I hope you will enjoy or love it. Make sure to tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. And for this side stool, I also did make for the same client, and I used the same process as the console table. As you can see, the legs are the same design. And for this other console table is for another client, and I did make this frame. It's a metal frame, and also did spray paint it gold. As you can see, it's glowing, it's shining. And for the tops, my client wanted a black glass, and that is what I'm going to be attaching, or I'm going to be putting on this one, not a board. And I'm going to be sanding the edges of these glasses so that they will be smooth, to avoid cutting or injuring anyone. So I'm just going to smoothen the edges, and then use silicone glue to attach it to the frame or to the console.